Hi everyone, welcome to Chatterjee Creation. The main motto of this channel is to popularize the collage art. To fulfill this purpose, collage workshop can take a very important role because in the workshop, a participant can know the treatment of collage art as well as he can make his own collage in his own hands. Today, we will go to Adahata Girls High School. Meet Mrs. Rita Saha, the headmistress of this school. Like us, she also loves collage. She wants her student to get acquainted with collage art. So, she organized a collage workshop in her school and invited me to coordinate the collage workshop. Hundreds of students were present in the demonstration session. You may be surprised to hear that none of them are familiar with the term collage art. I took some collages with me. I showed those collages to them. I could see they were enjoying it. They demanded to show me how I make my collage art. I decided to do a collage in front of them that could be done very easily. I did this collage. Several students wanted to make collage in their own hands. Even the teachers also participated. It was a wonderful experience. Friends, now we will see how well our participants made their collages. Yes, this is their first collage making. I think the participants done very well. What is your opinion? I believe our participants will be encouraged by your valuable comments. Thanks for watching.